Castor oil, a versatile vegetable oil, has been used for centuries and is extracted from castor beans. Known for its medicinal, pharmaceutical, and general uses, many people are unaware of its benefits. This video reveals hidden advantages that can positively impact your health and life. Watch until the end for a surprising benefit. Firstly, castor oil serves as an excellent deep facial cleanser. Research shows it effectively removes makeup, reduces acne, and soothes sensitive skin, being gentler than many common soaps. Castor oil has antibacterial properties, but unlike some soaps and detergents, it doesn't strip the skin's top layer of beneficial bacteria, helping to prevent acne. Castor oil also reduces wrinkles. Studies indicate that its anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidants combat free radicals, protecting the skin from aging. Rich in ricinoleic acid, a monounsaturated fatty acid, it acts as a natural moisturizer, helping to reduce wrinkles over time. Additionally, castor oil is effective in diminishing stretch marks. These marks occur when the skin stretches rapidly, causing collagen to break and leaving scars. Massaging castor oil into stretch marks can flatten and soften the scar tissue, providing deep moisturization and helping them fade over time, especially if the marks are less than 2 years old. Castor oil promotes hair growth, containing fats and properties that support a healthy scalp and treat dry, damaged hair. It lubricates and moisturizes the hair shaft, promoting growth and reducing breakage. Studies show it is effective in treating dandruff, an inflammatory scalp condition causing flaking. Applying castor oil to the scalp twice a week can result in thicker, shinier, and stronger hair. Believed to be an effective remedy for arthritis, castor oil can help alleviate joint pain with its anti-inflammatory properties. Use it as a massage oil applied directly to the joints and muscles, or take it orally by adding it to tea with a pinch of ginger for better results. Castor oil also treats acne. Acne occurs when follicles are plugged with oils and dead skin cells due to inflammation. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties make castor oil an effective treatment, combating bacteria that cause acne. Apply castor oil daily to treat existing acne or a few times a week to prevent new breakouts. Another medicinal benefit of castor oil is boosting the immune system. Some researchers believe it can increase white blood cell count, enhancing the body's ability to fight infections by increasing lymphocyte production. Lymphocytes are white blood cells that produce antibodies in response to infections, thus strengthening the immune response. If you have trouble sleeping, castor oil may provide relief for insomnia. This sleep disorder makes it difficult to fall asleep. Some people have found success by rubbing a small amount of castor oil on their eyelids before bed. The absorption promotes relaxation, helping you fall asleep faster. Castor oil can also relieve constipation, acting as a natural laxative in the small intestine. Researchers promote it as a natural remedy for constipation, but while safe in small doses, consuming too much can cause side effects. It's best to consult with a doctor first. Another surprising use of castor oil is treating ringworm, a circular, itchy rash caused by a fungal infection. Despite its name, no worms are involved. Castor oil's antifungal properties can effectively combat the fungi causing the infection. To recap, the top 10 uses of castor oil include: deep facial cleanser, reducing wrinkles, diminishing stretch marks, promoting hair growth, remedy for arthritis, treating acne, boosting the immune system, relieving insomnia, alleviating constipation, treating ringworm. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content. Millions worldwide are discovering the health benefits of castor oil, and we hope this video helps you too. Thank you for your time and for watching until the end. Have a great day.